This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Safari and going straight to Safari Settings or Preferences. This gives you the extension's pane. Once there, scan the list and select the extension you plan to delete so you don't remove the wrong one. Make sure Safari is updated and not in private mode because some controls differ. If an extension is grayed out, note its name for later. Now that you've selected the extension, you're ready for the removal step. Click to reveal its options and controls. First, uncheck the extension to disable its activity. This is reversible if you change your mind. Next, click Uninstall or Remove. Safari will ask you to confirm, so read the prompt and approve the deletion. Some extensions include an extra Uninstall button within their detail view. Use that if available. Once removed, make sure to close and restart Safari so background components fully unload. If the extension required additional app permissions, note that you may, after uninstalling, verify the extension no longer appears in the extensions list to confirm success. If the extension installed a helper app, go to Applications or System Settings and remove any related items. That prevents residual processes. If Safari behaves oddly afterward, clear the cache and restart your Mac to reset cached extension data. Troubleshooting tip: if an extension won't remove, boot into safe mode and try again. Safe mode prevents third-party software from blocking the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.